Thanks for visit. Current jobs, current affairs, GK और GK ट्रिक की नोटिफिकेशन के लिए सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल। एम्स NORCET 7, age 18 to 30 years. Date the 1st of August to the 21st of August 2024. Fees 3,000 rupees for the general, OBC, SC, ST, and EWS candidates as RS. 2400 AIMS NORCET 7 Notification 2024. The All India Institute of Medical Sciences AIMS New Delhi has released the notification for the NORCET 7 notification on the 1st of August 2024. The NORCET Recruitment 2024 notification is released and the online applications are invited from the 1st of August to the 21st of August 2024. The candidates can apply online for the NORCET 7 exam from the website rrp.iimsexams.ac.in. Online application is invited for the Nursing Officer Recruitment Common Eligibility Test NORCET-7 for the recruitment of nursing officer posts at level 07 in the pay matrix pre-revised pay band 2 of Rs 93003480 with grade pay of 4,600 rupees per, Group B for AIMS New Delhi and other AIMS as per available vacancies in the respective institutes. Important dates. The AIMS NORCET 7 notification has been released on the 1st of August 2024 and the online applications can be submitted from the 1st of August to the 21st of August 2024, शाम के 5 बजे. The application form correction window will be open from the 22nd of August to the 24th of August 2024. The application status and correction in the image other deficiencies can be done from the 30th of August to the 2nd of September 2024. The CBT Stage 1 exam will be held on the 15th of September 2024 and the Stage 2 exam will be held on the 4th of October 2024. Fees. The application fee to apply for the AIMS NORCET 7 is 3,000 rupees for the general, OBC candidates. The application fee for the SC, ST and EWS candidates is Rs 2,400. The PWD candidates are exempted from the payment of the application fee. The application fee must be paid online. Age limit. The age limit for the AIMS NORCET 7 is 18-30 years. The cutoff date for the calculation of the age limit is the 21st of August 2024. The age relaxation will be given as per the rules. Qualification. Stone, BSc, Honours, Nursing BSc. Nursing from an Indian Nursing Council, State Nursing Council recognized institute or university or 2RD, BSc, Post Certificate Post Basic BSc. Nursing from an Indian Nursing Council, State Nursing Council recognized institute, university. Third, registered as nurses or midwife with the State Indian Nursing Council. Or, fourth, diploma in general nursing midwifery from an Indian Nursing Council, State Nursing Council recognized institute, board or council. Fifth, registered as nurses or midwife in the State Indian Nursing Council. Sixth, 2 years experience in a minimum 50-bedded hospital after acquiring the educational qualification mentioned above as applicable for all participating AIMS. Selection process. The selection process of the AIMS NORCET 7 includes the paper ICBT exam which is qualifying in nature followed by the NORCET mains exam. The candidate 5 times the vacancies will be called for the AIMS NORCET mains exam on the 4th of October 2024. The NORCET 7 selection process includes the following stages. Paper 1 CBT exam qualifying. Paper 2 mains exam. Document verification. Medical examination. How to apply. Follow these steps to apply for the AIIMS NORCET 7. 8. Visit the website iimsexams.ac.in, then click on the Recruitment tab. Though, in the list of various posts recruitment, click on Nursing Officer. 3. Here you will find the Nursing Officer Recruitment Common Eligibility Test NORCET 7. 4. Click on this link and a new page will open, which is the official website of the AIIMS NORCET 7 examination and application portal. 5. Complete the AIIMS NORCET 7 registration and login. 6. Duly fill up the AIIMS NORCET 7 application form, upload the required documents and pay the application fee. 7. Submit the application form and take a print out of it.